This is really good. I give this a 10 out of 10. Hi, it's Diya, and today I'm going to be making the Mast Bites Dal Makhani Meal Kits. So first, grab the oil and pour it in. Okay, so after you do that, you put it on medium heat for around 1 minute. So we're gonna do that, and then after that, we're going to add garlic and ginger paste. We're going to add the cumin seeds, and we're going to add the onions. So then the onions can saute. So now we're going to, it's been a minute, and we're going to add the cumin seeds. We're going to add the garlic and ginger paste. And a little bit. And now we're going to add the onions. Okay, so we cooked the onions until they were golden brown, and now we're going to add the tomatoes and cook those for 5 to 7 minutes. And after that, we're going to add the masala spice mix and cook that for an additional 5 minutes. So, okay, so the tomatoes and onions are cooked. So now we're going to add the spice mix. And like I said before, after we do this, we're going to mix it, and then we're going to let this cook for 5 minutes. And then we'll go on to the next step. We added the lentils. It gave us a little bit of color to put in. So after we put this, we are going to put in a half a cup of water. And just a quick notice before is that if you put this, when you put this in the freezer, you want to let it defrost in some warm water, or you can just let it defrost it out. But you don't want to let it sit out for too long. So we're going to mix that, and after we mix it thoroughly, then you're going to cover it and let it sit for 7 minutes. Okay, so we cooked it for these 7 minutes, and now we're going to cook the parathas, which are my favorite part, and now I'm going to try it. That's really good. This is really good. I give this a 10 out of 10.